Hello, we are coming to you from Cotting Consulting. We have some great tech tips to assist teachers, parents, and service providers. Today we're going to talk about core vocabulary. What is it, and how should you be using it? Today we're with Layla, who is a speech-language pathologist here at Cotting Consulting. Layla, how are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Layla, can you tell us what core vocabulary is?
So we know from a number of research studies that core vocabulary consists of these simple, high-frequency words that are used across contexts. Core words have been found to dominate everyday speech for individuals across their lifespan.
Let's take a look at some examples.
As you can see here, core vocabulary include a variety of types of words, like adjectives, pronouns, and verbs. These words are abstract and can be hard to understand, but since they dominate everyday speech, they are very important to teach.
So how do you use core vocabulary?
There are lots of ways, but I want to highlight three: using visual supports, modeling, and implementation during routines and everyday activities.
A lot of teachers use visual supports. Can you tell us why it's so important?
Because these words are abstract, using visuals makes them more salient. There are lots of different symbol systems out there, like BoardMaker or PCS, but using visuals individually or on a core board and pairing them with spoken language is a great way to make abstract language more concrete.
Let's take a look at the second area, modeling.
Modeling, also known as aided language stimulation, is an intervention technique. Let me show you what it looks like. Modeling is a great way to teach abstract words, like it. Using a high-tech device, you can model a simple sentence, I like it, or follow a statement with a question, what is it? This can also be done using a low-tech system, like a core board, except you can speak the constructed message once you've put it together.
How can you incorporate core vocabulary into everyday activities and routines?
Everyday routines provide a particularly rich learning context for individuals, learning to associate these core words within their environment. So instead of only teaching a phrase, like open it, during a specific activity, we can make the phrase open it a part of many different activities that occur across the day. Highlight the words open it when going outside or opening up the door, when taking food out of a lunchbox. Incorporating core vocabulary into everyday routines or activities consistently promotes communication success and symbolic communication development.
Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to comment below, and if you have any questions about Cotting Consulting Services, you can reach us at cotting.org.